Hi, Grouchy Friends. Elise here, the Cheeky Bum, and I have another haul for you. I have a few things that I found at Ross today and a few things that I got at Walmart a couple days ago. So I thought I'd link them both together because there's not a whole lot either way. But I was surprised at some Ross. So I went to Ross because somebody told me that they had Valentines salt and pepper shakers. Um, so I had to go check it out. I haven't been to Ross in a little bit. So I found these cherry containers. I'm thinking to ship some like Happy Meal. Of course, like boxes are good. But these are nice because you can throw these in a poly mailer and things are not going to get crushed. So I'm thinking Happy Meal. They're cherries. They had like more Valentine's-ish ones, but I thought cherries both. I can kind of get away with using them throughout the year and not just Valentine's Day. So I got those and I liked that the container was red and not clear. I did find some salt and pepper shakers, but not the one that somebody told me about. These are little lips and I'm so excited for them because look at, I'm going to open these because they look so cute and shiny. They did have hearts, but I grabbed the lips. I have not been to Home Goods. I think I went to Home Goods, I don't think it was last week, maybe it was the week before, and they didn't have any yet, and I haven't had any luck finding them elsewhere. So the holes are on the side, so these are going to kind of tilt a little bit, but I think they'll be okay and still be cute. It does have a rough edge on the bottom, so I'd probably put a little bit of paint over that just to hide it. But how cute are those? I really do like them. They're really cute. They were $5.99. The hearts were in the same color. I really wish that they were red or maybe more of like a baby pink, like pearly pink, instead of this like fuchsia color, but they're still really cute. They're gonna still make really cute shakers or tassels, so they're still cute. I still love them. And then I got these little silicone molds. I don't know. I was like, oh, maybe I can do some resin or something and just make some not like super deep, like where it's just kind of covering the base of it. But I thought that the lips could be cute. I liked the little ace of hearts. I don't know if I'd use the glasses or not, but they're cute. I don't know what I thought I needed them. This is a 2-pack, so I don't need 2 of them, but they were $3.99. And I found this container. So they did have like some Valentine's containers. They did have ones that say love in there and stuff like that, but I didn't want those. These were only $7.99, but I'm thinking because they had like the long compartments that I will probably put like pokey tools or beaded pens or something like that to like store it in. So I don't know if I'm going to put like the ones I've received in here. Or if I'm gonna put like ones that I'm making in here or supplies. I'm not 100% sure, but I thought it was cute. They did have one that was a little bit lighter of a pink, but I liked the brighter pink, the same size, price. And they had some other containers that said like be mine and like love you, but they were like really long. So anyway, this is just the one I got because I thought it would best fit my purpose. And I usually don't show like home stuff, but I found this like Queen of Hearts blanket and it was so stinking cute. I had to get it. I'm trying to see if like, I don't know if you can see or not, but she's like this playing card and it has, yeah, just the Queen of Hearts. Like my kids, my husband, everything like on our like Netflix, our any sign-in window we have, like, because we have, different people in the house watching all the same thing. So like Peacock, stuff like that. Mine always says the Queen. So I thought that this blanket was super fitting and that I needed it. I needed it. They had some other really cute Valentine's blankets in for $14.99 and it's really thick and heavy. But on to Walmart. I went to go look for a few things that Lisa had in her haul. Leave it to Lisa Crafts. She found some like little containers and stuff that mine were all sold out of. I couldn't find them anywhere. I did find these little clips. They are silicone. They had cherries, which I thought about getting, but I thought bows were a little bit more universal. And I like to take these clips because I've done it with multiple different clips before, but they're usually not silicone, but I still think I can drill through these. I like to like pop a little hole in here and put a little dangle or something like that on them. I don't know. They were really cute. I think these were $4.99, I think. I think they were $4.99. I also found these little sticker books. So these were not in with the Valentine stuff. This was back by the book department. I found these and I found some more like love coupons. But these were only $1 and they were fun. They have just all different types of little stickers. They are flat, but you know, for just decorating packages, junk journal, a planner, anything like that. I thought that they were actually really fun for $1. Like I really liked them, and these kind of look like some of the stickers. They look like the Hey Sugar collection from Miss Kate, and Chaos Crafts has a little heart guy like this year in their Valentine's collection. So I thought it was cute. And then this one is a little bit more like little Frenchies, a little more animal, a little bit more cutesy. But they had cats in there, so I had to get it. Dinosaurs, I probably wouldn't really use those. I have some puppies, but the cats, you know, I'm gonna use cats. So that was those, and let's see, where are those? Here they are. This back down. So these were only $1. So the other Galentine coupons that I had, they came with the envelopes. They were $1.47 or $1.49. These were only $1, and they actually like come in a book. But I grabbed them because, again, I'm gonna probably use these in a junk journal or some kind of traveler's notebook or something like that. So these are all just Galentines. I thought that it could be just, I don't know, really cute. I liked the color scheme of them. And then this is a love one. And again, I liked the color scheme of them. They had one that was more like a box of chocolates and had like browns and golds in it. But I got these. I thought, yeah, for $1, these are good to have in my stash. Picked up these. This is like, most of the Christmas stuff is gone, but these were only, I think, like 32 cents or so. I don't remember. They were really cheap. I did like the Santa, and I liked that you got like 2 acrylic little tags, especially the love one, because I can use these for Valentine's Day. So yeah, I paid 30 something a piece for those, and I grabbed whatever they had left. I grabbed these little heart ornaments because I do have a pink Christmas tree that I got for Christmas, but I was like, oh, I can leave it out and use it for Valentine's Day, and why not? I found these little chocolate bars that I'm gonna probably make the Chaos Craft little chocolate bar holder, and I thought that these would be cute in there. I even found a couple of these. I wish that I had found these out because I just mailed out a couple things to a couple friends, and I found these afterwards. I was like, oh, these would have been cute because they're just guy milk chocolate bars, but I thought that they were cute, so I got a couple of those. Is that it? Oh, I found some crepe paper. They were only 75 cents a piece, so I got 2 of those. I haven't made crepe paper rosettes in a while, but I should. And then they have some new golden books out. I really want to get into making some golden book, like journals, traveler's notebooks, junk journals, whatever you want to call them. They have a Dolly one too that I think that I might have to get, but this one is a Taylor Swift. I am somewhat of a Swiftie, not hardcore, but I have a friend that is, and I thought that this could be so cute. I also have some Taylor Swift die cuts from Scrappy Boy, so I was like, oh, this could be really cute. I have a lot of cowgirl inspired dies and paper, so I was like, I think that I could do something really cute with this. So yeah, there's this Dolly one. I think they even had a Travis Kelce one, which is kind of crazy. But the Lucille Ball one would be really, Betty White, a lot of good ones. But I might have to get a Dolly one as well. So that is my Walmart slash Ross haul. I feel like I found some good little finds. I'm happy with my purchases and I'm going to get a crafting. See you guys in the next video.